Hi everyone, my name is Philip with iRobot, and today I'm excited to tell you about the Roomba i3 EVO. This robot is packed full of features where it's going to give you the convenience of picking and choosing which rooms you want to clean in your home. We'll see all of that in a minute or so. But first, we need to take a look at what comes inside the box. First, we've got the robot itself. We've got the charging station along with the power cord to keep your robot always charged and always ready to go run. We've got one extra high efficiency filter. One will already be inserted in the robot itself. With our patented 3-stage cleaning system, know that our tangle-free rubber brushes, along with our specially designed edge brush, are going to be able to allow Roomba to clean any type of floor that you have in your home. That's right, carpets, tile, whatever you got, Roomba can handle. Plus, Roomba can get into all those hard to reach areas like under your entertainment center, under the table, and even under your bed. With our patented dirt detect technology, know that Roomba can focus clean where it's needed the most. So, underneath the bed, where it might be the dirtiest because it's hard to reach, Roomba's gonna hang out there and make sure that spot is clean before moving off to another one. That's right, Roomba doesn't do single pass cleaning like you'll see with other robotic vacuum brands. Have a larger home, multiple kids, pets, maybe all of the above? Well, Roomba i3 EVO now includes our intelligent Imprint smart mapping, where you get to pick and choose when and where you want Roomba to go clean in your home. Maybe you just want to clean the master bedroom and the dining room, and they're on the opposite ends of the house. Roomba's going to take off, do those rooms in the order that you chose, and then return home right after. With recharge and resume, when the battery's running low, Roomba will head home to its charge base, recharge its battery, and then pick up right where it left off. And it's going to continue to do this until the job's complete. By now you're probably thinking, there's no way Roomba can do anything else, right? Well, I'm here to let you know, with Imprint link technology, Roomba i3 EVO pairs up with our Braava Jet M6 to make the ultimate tag team, where Roomba i3 EVO will go and clean the rooms that you choose, or all of them, and then when it's done, it's going to automatically tell the Braava Jet M6, it's your turn. This is going to give us the complete whole home floor cleaning that we all want. The best thing about the iRobot Home app is you're going to take your Roomba's cleaning to the next level. By that, you can tell your Roomba to clean on demand, set a repeating schedule, or simply tell Google or Alexa to tell your Roomba i3 EVO to go clean the kitchen. Oops, that actually reminds me. Alexa, can you tell Roomba i3 EVO to clean the kitchen, please?
Okay, I'll tell EVO to vacuum the kitchen.
All right, that's everything you need to know about the Roomba i3 EVO and why this robot is perfect for any size home, where you can pick and choose exactly when and where you want Roomba to clean. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and pick yourself up one today and start enjoying all that free time back in your day. Thanks for watching, everyone.